Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my video. I hope you are happy, healthy, and doing wonderful today. Today's topic is very powerful, very practical, and extremely helpful for every English learner. The topic is Simple English Through Listening and Repeating Method. Yes! One of the fastest and easiest ways to improve your English speaking skill is listen carefully, repeat again and again. This method is simple, natural, and effective. Children learn language this way. Native speakers improve communication this way. And you can also become fluent using this method. So please watch this video until the end, because today I will explain why listening is important, why repeating works like magic, how to practice daily, and how this simple habit can change your English speaking forever. So let's begin.
Part 1. Why many people cannot speak English fluently.
My dear friends, many English learners study grammar for years. They memorize vocabulary, they read books, they watch lessons. But when they try to speak English, they become nervous. Why? Because speaking is a skill, and every skill needs practice. You cannot learn swimming only by reading a book. You must enter the water. In the same way, you cannot speak English fluently only by studying grammar. You must listen and speak regularly. And the easiest speaking practice is listening and repeating. This method trains your brain, tongue, pronunciation, confidence, and speaking speed at the same time.
Part 2. What is the listening and repeating method? The listening and repeating method is very simple. First, you listen to English carefully. Then, you repeat exactly what you hear. That's all. But you must repeat many times. You copy pronunciation, accent, rhythm, speaking style, sentence patterns. Slowly, your brain begins to understand English naturally. You stop translating in your mind. And this is the secret of fluent English speaking.
Part 3. Why this method works so well. This method works because your brain learns through sound. When you repeatedly hear English sentences, your mind becomes familiar with them. And when you repeat them again and again, your mouth becomes comfortable speaking English. At first, speaking may feel difficult, but after enough repetition, English sentences start coming automatically. For example, if you hear and repeat this sentence many times, "How are you doing today?" After some days, you will say it naturally without thinking. This is how fluency develops. Not through pressure, not through fear, but through repetition. Part 4. The biggest mistake English learners make. Many learners only read English. Some only study grammar. Some only memorize vocabulary lists. But they never train their ears. And they never practice speaking aloud. That is why they understand English but cannot speak confidently. My dear friends, English is not only a subject. English is a language. And language must be heard and spoken. So from today, don't only read silently. Listen, repeat, speak aloud. Your voice is the key.
Part 5. Speak aloud. Don't practice silently.
This is very important. Always speak aloud. Your mouth must practice English. If you only listen silently, your speaking improvement will become slow. Open your mouth and speak clearly. At first, your pronunciation may not be perfect. That is completely okay. Improvement comes through practice, not perfection. Part 6. Don't fear mistakes. Many people stop speaking because they fear mistakes, but mistakes are part of learning. Even children make mistakes while learning language. Imagine a baby learning to walk. Does the baby walk perfectly on the first day? No. The baby falls many times, but slowly the baby learns. English speaking is exactly the same. So never stop because of mistakes. Every mistake teaches you something. Part 7. Shadowing technique. Now, let me teach you another powerful method called shadowing. Shadowing means speaking at the same time as the speaker. You listen and repeat immediately without stopping. Like a shadow follows a person, you follow the speaker's voice. This technique improves fluency, pronunciation, speaking speed, confidence.
At first, it may feel difficult. But after regular practice, you will speak much more naturally. Part 8. Best content for listening practice. You may ask, what should I listen to? Here are some excellent choices. English podcasts, YouTube English lessons, audiobooks, English movies with subtitles, daily conversation videos, English stories for beginners. Choose content that is interesting for you. When you enjoy listening, you learn faster.
Part 9. Use short sentences first. Do not start with long, difficult sentences. Start with easy daily English. For example, how are you? I am fine. What are you doing? I like this book. Can you help me? I am learning English. See you tomorrow. Simple sentences build speaking confidence, and confidence is very important. Part 10. Record your voice. This is another powerful tip. Record your speaking practice on your phone. Then listen to yourself. At first, you may notice mistakes. That is normal. But slowly, you will hear improvement. Your pronunciation will become clearer. Your confidence will grow. And one day, you will feel proud of your progress.
Part 11. Think in English. When you practice listening and repeating daily, your brain slowly starts thinking in English. This is very important. Because fluent speakers do not translate every sentence, they think directly in English. And listening practice helps your brain do this naturally. Part 12. Be patient with yourself. My dear friends, fluency does not come in one day. English speaking is a journey. Some days you will feel motivated. Some days you may feel tired. But never quit. Even slow progress is still progress. Every day you practice, you become stronger. Remember, little improvement every day creates big success in the future.
Part 13. Daily Practice Challenge. Now I want to give you a simple challenge. For the next 30 days, listen to English every day, repeat sentences aloud, practice for at least 20 minutes, record your voice sometimes. Never fear mistakes. If you follow this challenge seriously, your English speaking confidence will improve greatly. Part 14. Motivation for English learners. My dear friends, please remember something important. You do not need perfect English to start speaking. You only need courage to begin. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Every confident speaker once felt nervous, but they continued practicing, and you can do it too. Believe in yourself. Your English will improve, step by step, day by day, word by word, sentence by sentence.
So, my dear friends, this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope this lesson helps you understand the power of the listening and repeating method. Always remember, listen carefully, repeat confidently, practice daily, and never give up. English fluency is possible for you, and your journey can begin today. If you enjoyed this video and learned something useful, please don't forget to like this video, comment below, share with your friends, and subscribe to Smooth English Talks. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English with confidence.